Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how to write data frame to a Parquet file. So what I am going to do in this video or what I am going to do in this exercise, I am importing all the required libraries. I am creating a list variable, and in this list variable, I am storing the address of a CSV file. Here I am creating a custom schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. With the help of a struct field, I am defining column name and data types. APID is the column name, integer type is the data type. AP name, string data type, AP gender, string data type, column AP salary, integer data type, column AP state is string data types, AP city is string data types. Once this custom schema gets created, I am going to read a CSV file with the help of a spark.csv function, and I am going to read the CSV file which is present in this list variable. This list variable has the address of the CSV file, this CSV file, which I am going to read with the help of this custom schema. In this custom schema, here we have defined 6 column and its data types. Once this data frame gets created, what I am going to do, I am going to write this data frame to a Parquet format. So I am going to use the function data frame over name of the data frame that write function dot Parquet, and I am going to give here the location of the Parquet file. So let's go to the Databricks and let's see how it is happening. So what I am going to do to save time, I am going to copy the code till here, creation of a data frame by reading the CSV file from my previous exercise, and I will show you in this exercise how we are going to write data frame to a Parquet file. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Data frame to Parquet. So I have created one small example here, so I am going to copy the code. Okay. Otherwise this video will become very long, so I'm just copying to save some time. Let's run the code one by one. Here all the required functions which are available in this packages. These packages are available in this notebook. This list variable I have created successfully. This list has a address of this CSV file which we are going to read in this exercise. This custom schema has been created successfully. It has 6 columns. Now, with the help of a spark.read.csv function, what I am going to do, I am going to read the CSV file. This is the list. This is a list variable. In this list variable, this is the name of the CSV file which I am going to read it, and with the help of this custom schema, let's run it. This data frame gets created successfully. Let's see the content of this data frame. See, this data frame has 5 records. Now, with the help of a write function, I am going to write this data frame in a Parquet format. So let's run this code. See, this data frame has been successfully written into Parquet format. So let's see how this Parquet file looks like. First, let's go till this path. It's taking some time. So this is the path. Name of the file is employee partition by one column Parquet. So let's see how the structure looks like in the complete path. So what I'm just doing, percentage fs, then ls, and let me just copy the all full path where I have stored the Parquet file. You can see here, this is the Parquet file dot Parquet. Whenever we are going to create a Parquet file, no, based on a data frame or from any other medium, so these are the couple of files which is getting created automatically. Success, committed, started, and these are the part files. So this is the data is stored in this file only. This rest of the files are a supporting file. Let's go. So here we can see that if you have a data frame, it has been created by reading of a CSV file or reading of a JSON file, or you have connected to any other SQL server, bringing the data into Spark and wants to store the data in DBFS or Azure storage in a Parquet format. In this way, we can convert the data frame into a Parquet file. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.